I gotta say, I really do love me some breakfast burritos. This fucking diet, man. Why must everything that tastes so fucking good be so terrible for our bodies? If I get fatter, I'll die. If I eat good food, it's all overpowerable to gaming. Whatever will I do? I gotta think of something. That's bomb, dude. Howdy, guys. Today I'm gonna make some turkey breakfast burritos that'll be extremely healthy and perfect for my diet in my challenge to lose 100 pounds in 16 weeks. For this recipe, I'm gonna use 1 pound turkey bacon, turkey sausage, 3 beautiful potatoes, a piece of white onion and 1 serrano pepper, 4 turkey eggs, and also 4 organic cage-free chicken eggs, Mission whole wheat tortillas, Alright, my friends, for this beautiful meal, I'm going to use avocado oil. I absolutely love avocado oil. So I really don't need much oil, but for the healthy fats alone, I'm not too worried about it. So what I want to do is throw in my onions and my serranos. Like I said, I have it real low. Now I'm going to throw in all my potatoes that I cut. These little potatoes came out looking incredible. What I want to do now is add my turkey bacon. I cut the turkey bacon up real nice. I'm going to add it to my onion and my serrano mix here. The serrano mix with the onions is already smelling absolutely incredible. I'm sure it's going to be extremely hot, but it's just what we do down here. I'm just going to add it all, start cooking it real slow. I might end up mixing my turkey sausage with the potatoes once they get cooking to a certain degree. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have me some turkey egg breakfast burritos, and Victoria's opting for the organic cage-free chicken eggs. I'm very curious to see how good the turkey eggs come out. I've never had a turkey egg, and I'm rather excited about it. So my potatoes are already getting a little bit, I cut them real small so they're going to cook real fast. But I don't want them to cook too fast because I prefer them to get a little bit, I love slow cooked fried potato. So I'm just going to keep on mixing this, and I will see you guys here in a minute. So what I'm going to do is pour my bacon into this mixture, and then eventually I'm going to have to strain some of this juice out, but what I want is all these flavors to just get real beautiful together. Plus this little pan here is a sticky little bastard all of a sudden. But look at how beautiful that turkey bacon's looking.
Mmm.
Looking pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
I want the potatoes to get to know everything in here real well. The regular chicken eggs for Victoria's mixture. And I'm going to pour it in your mix there. So, if you want to just follow me down here, we're just going to mix it a bit. I got some onion still in there. So, we're just going to cook this real slow like. I'm going to put it all in the middle here. Okay. So, I got that real slow. I don't have to worry about it for the moment. My good friend Paul, who gave me these here turkey eggs, he did tell me they're pretty hard to crack. So I'm going to find out. I've never cracked a turkey egg. I'm very excited. Oh wow, it is pretty strong. Oh my god. Damn. That's definitely a different shell. Check. Very beautiful egg.
Turkey eggs for Easter?
Yeah, turkey eggs for Easter. Throw it in my mixture. There was still some residual, like the oil in there, but man, I'm really not worried about it whatsoever. Okay, so I'm going to get this mixing up. This is smelling pretty good, my love. I just want to mix it up real slow like. So this is your mix here. It's all smelling really good. Can you smell it, Boogie?
Yeah. Smells delicious.
Pretty much smells like the real thing at this point. I guess it doesn't have that real strong, like, real bacon smell, but it definitely has a real strong sausage smell. And turkey sausage to me is incredible. The bacon's a little bit weaker, but it's still pretty good. So what I'm going to make Victoria's first. And I'm just going to add a little bit of cheese. And I'm going to pack the mixture in as much as I can. Just because I want her to have plenty of protein. She's been working out really hard as well. So this thing is absolutely jam-packed with protein. Turkey bacon, turkey sausage. We got plenty of carbohydrates with the potatoes. I think these things are going to be absolutely amazing. I did not add any salt to the mix. I did, however, add pepper. So, whatever Victoria's, you know, having to get ready for work and I'm not around, she could pop one of these in the oven for a little while and she'll be taken care of. So what I have is a full-on turkey breakfast burrito here. Turkey eggs, turkey bacon, turkey sausage, turkey potatoes, and turkey cheese at this point. I would think that a turkey would beat the hell out of a chicken. And I think that turkey meat tastes better than chicken, so okay, my love, there's that one. Alright, my friends, so that made us 7 breakfast burritos. And I also got a bunch left over of my mixture here. And just because I'm extremely curious to what this turkey mixture tastes like, I'm going to get a bite of this bad boy. I'm rather excited about the whole thing. That's bomb, dude. Check it out. Thanks for viewing the video, and I'll see you around.